Hey girls, welcome back to my channel Fashionable. Today's video is going to be all about style and comfort. Yes, footwear that give you both. If you love trending shoes that are also super comfy, this video is made just for you. From casual looks to party ready style, we have got something for every occasion. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into this stylish and comfortable footwear collection. With casual and cute, these white platform sneakers are not just trendy, they are like walking on gold. Pair them with jeans, skirts, or dressing, they go with everything. Next, we have soft pastel slip ones that are perfect for daily earned or casual hangout. They are light, breathable, and come in the dreamless colors. For those lazy days, these fabric loafers are a must have. They flexible sole and cushioned insole offer unbeatable comfort. If you perfect a sporty look, check out these chunky trainers. They are bold, cool, and you fit with thanks you after a long day. And for the minimalist, these sleek black flats are both elegant and easy to wear, perfect for school shopping or even office wear. Do not miss these colorful espadrilles. They scream summer vibes. Lightweight and breathable, ideal for warm days. Another favorite, these cross strap sandals with soft foam sole. Trending and comfy are total win. Summer calls for open toe sandals with airing design, bright color, breathable materials, and chic style. Raining days do not wrong. Waterproof jelly sandals are in, functional yet funky for those splashy street weather. This season, stylish, comfortable is always possible. For winter, try ankle length boots with fur lining, warm, trending, and perfect with shining skinny jeans. Semi-formal shoes that looks good and feel even better. These block heel sandals are perfect for day to night transaction. The heel gives height, but the design gives balance and easy. Love a little sparkle. These sequins belt flat are stylish and gentle on your feet. They add a glam touch without sacrificing comfort. Here come low wedge sandal with an ethnic twist, great for festive events. They go beautifully with kurtas, lehengas, and saris. Wedge with mirror work add that festival sparkle. These strappy flats with metallic accents can dress up any outfit. Check out these malls with soft insole, slip in and go. They are classy and functional for long events. Another must have kitten heels pumps, just the right height to look chic and still be comfy. These padded sole Kolhapuris are perfect for traditional wear. Style meets sport. Your feet will not feel tired even after hours. Try these cut-out sandals for a breathable and classy look. Elegant, easy, and effortlessly fashionable. We have got you these shiny boat detail sandal are super comfy yet pretty perfect. Dance all night, no pain, only glam. Want elegance? Try these pearl embellished block heel. Chic, comfortable, and camera ready. For a subtle sparkle, go for glittery flat with a rich sport. Who says glam cannot be partistical? These transparent heels with soft padded are very trending right now. They match every outfit and feel like magic on your feet. If you like pointed toes, choose soft leather pumps with inner cushionings. Bold yet comfy, perfect combo. Going traditional, these embroidered jutis have form sole for extra sport, gorgeous and practical for wedding and festive nights. Finally, do not forget velvet loafer with golden trims, rich in style and softness. Dress to impress but feel relaxed while doing it. So, girls, that was our hand-picked collection of stylish and super comfy footwear ideas. Which one was your favorite? Let's it now in the comment. Whether you are heading to school, work, a party, or just chilling, you deserve comfort with style. Always remember, fashion does not have to hurt. Make your style statement with confidence and cozy feet. Do not forget to like this video if you found your next favorite pair here. Share this with your besties who are always hunting for stylish shoes. Subscribe for more fashionable tips, collections, and style guides. Thank you so much for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Stay stylish, stay comfy. Bye.